Here I had not added anything else, only just the contents of this vehicle and infotainment system. I will try to have it. I'm just researching about the infotainment system, then what will be good for my vehicle, my needs, and anything else. So I will just think about it and make it fit, and I will show you at the next blog for this car. We will go for the upgradation, modifications videos. Yeah, I had not done anything yet right now, but I will try my best to make you see that what I had done with my car. A simple request to you, just to subscribe my channel if you like my video, and just like my video also. Sorry. Just like my video, subscribe my channel for more videos, as you have liked, or if you want to purchase this types of cars like Ignis and any other car, I will try to provide you regarding that informations which will help you to live do. Yeah, Ganpati ji. Bolo Ganpati Bappa Moria. Let's come to the back side of this car. There are some features like auto power window. Auto means the window will get down at a single stroke, as you had seen, but it's not auto up, it's just auto down, but it's a very good feature. And central locking, manual central locking is also available, child lock is also available, and so many other features. Let's come to the back side of the car. Here we had come to the back side of the car. The space, the leg room is very much high. As you see, the leg room is very pretty, very spacious. The headroom is also very good, and the space around it is also very good. The back side view is also good. The windows are very much prettily designed, which not makes you roomy around your car. These are manual window upgradation, but yes, we can try to upgrade it to a power window at the next step of the car. We are having multiple things in this car. It's any other car, any other issues, any other things. The fast tag has also been provided in this car, because during this 2021 period, the government has been texted that all the new cars should have been plicked the fast tag around it. So these are some of the things. If you need any other inquiry, any other thing, any another information about this car, or you want to purchase Ignis, you can make me comment on my video, or I will try to show you some other informations regarding my car, what I had upgraded, what I will try to upgrade. And another thing I want to show you that, and another features I lively used to love this, it provided a charging socket. Almost at some other variants, at the mid variant also they were not providing the 12 volt power socket, but at the base variant of Maruti Suzuki Ignis, it providing a lot. And another thing, at the steering is also adjustable. You can make it up and down, but it is not telescopic, but you can make it up and down. It is a very good features regarding if you are very much small headed person or anything else. Like, I am not also very much tall, but yet I am very much happy to drive this car, very much reliable to drive this car, very much confident to drive this car, and it's a very good choice at the range, or at the price range of 5 to 6 lakh rupees. So okay guys, thank you for watching my video. Love, and just subscribe my channel. I am trying to telling you, subscribe. It's lot of time. But yes, if you are giving my love, if you give me love, then I will try my best and the best to provide the services regarding the videos and the car, bikes, scooties and other vehicle related issues. As you seen, my name is Shine Moto Vlogs. शाइन मोटो ब्लॉग्स को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए दोस्तों के साथ, अपने रिलेटिव्स के साथ, और देखते रहिए हमारा वीडियो. ओके बाय, सी यू देन.